Chicken, Mr. Peñana, the chairman, Tony Manloc, President. Welcome, Mr. President.
Kaya po, this is also...
Tayo sa Meralco.
Yes! Panatangan po na ng isang makasaysayang sa politiko.
The master plan...
Sana po ang susunod sa inyo, mahal na Pangulo, magiging katulad nyo rin na open sa public-private partnership. No? Because we know that government cannot do it alone, but because we trust you, we will just are willing to sacrifice. Ako po, 61 years old, I cannot allow you to fail. I cannot afford that you will fail as our leader. No? Because last hura na po namin ito. And I want to make a good exit strategy. And I'm glad na Secretary Cesar Purisima, kayo na po kasi this is just an overwhelming experience for these young people who are seeing their president for the first time. Maraming salamat.
More about how we will launch.
Napaka-laki po ng contrast o pagkakaiba nung aming pong dinalaw sa Mindanao kamakailan. Doon po, kawani po na kasundaluhan at kapulisan ang siyang tumitibag ng tinatawag na mga water hyacinth. Sabi ko po doon sa aming pagpupulong sa local government units, pagkakataon yata itong may problema para mag-galvanize, mapagbuklod yung ating mga komunidad para may patunguhan. Sino nga ba tutulong sa problema natin kundi sarili natin? Awa ng Diyos po, siguro mahina yung pandinig ng kagalang-galang na mayor doon sa lugar na yon, wala po siya napakinggan. At awa ng Diyos, bahala na kami sa lahat ng problema niya. Hindi na bali ho. Pagpalain na lang siya ng Diyos. Ayon po sa... Kaya naman, namaupo po tayo.
Maraming salamat, Mr. President.
Thank you very much, Mr. President.
Thank you so much.
To bamboo, we have rattan.
We have Rattan Man doing rattan furniture. We have Gourmet Queso doing gourmet
We have
cheese.
Grassroots Kitchen. We have the brand liners. We're gonna have the business plan for social entrepreneurs.
Yes, there you go. Of course, we have our Grassroots Kitchen, which where we are all situated. And we, along with Tony Manloc and the rest of the party.
Okay, done.
Enjoy.